Our banana pudding recipe is a real hands-on recipe and a great way to get in your daily fruit. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. You're going to need a half a cup of low-fat granola, 3 bananas, a half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, and a half a cup of non-fat vanilla yogurt. All right, so we're gonna place all the ingredients into the bag. Use a little scraper here to help me get this out. Then our yogurt. Okay. Now I'm gonna work the air out of the bag before I zip it up. And then here comes the fun part. We are gonna mush all these ingredients together until we get it all mixed up. Now that we have our ingredients all combined, we're gonna pop this into the refrigerator and keep it chilled till we're ready to serve. All right, now our banana pudding has been chilled. I want to show you how to easily get it out of the bag. Just work the banana pudding away from the corner. Take a pair of scissors and snip off the corner. Get rid of that. And then I can easily squeeze it out into my serving cup, and then I'm going to top it with a little bit of granola. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.